so that I can complete the square. 41, not a good number, so I'm going to rewrite the equation. F of x equals minus 4x squared plus 24x plus a space plus the negative 41. Move it over, make room for completing the square. Now, there's one other technical difficulty on completing the square. The term that has the x squared in it has to have a 1 in front of it. That negative 4 is a huge problem. Well, you might think it's a huge problem. We can just factor it out, no big deal. Watch. Negative 4, parenthesis, x squared, negative 4 into that, negative 6, x, plus negative 4 into nothing, nothing, plus negative 41, plus a space. Space. I need to put a new number here. I need to compensate by putting the opposite here. I can add 0 to an equation, and I don't change its value. What number am I going to add here? Just complete the square. Here's the process. Negative 6 divided by 2. Quantity squared. Negative 6 divided by 2, negative 3. Negative 3 squared, 9. 9's the number I want in that spot. But that 9 is not really a 9 because of this negative 4. Negative 4 times 9 is negative 36. So, if I have a negative 36 here, what do you think I put there? Positive 36. Why? It's okay to add 0 to an equation. Positive 36, negative 36, 0. I just made it look different. That's all. All right. Now we're in business. F of x equals negative 4 times a quantity squared. I completed the square so that I could rewrite this as x minus 3 squared. Plus negative 41 plus 36, negative 5. Why did we complete the square? So that we could quickly get the vertex of the parabola for graphing purposes. Vertex equals, based on this formula, HK, HK. All right, let's do one more and see if we can get this stuff under control here. So, let me get this work out of our way here. Plus 1 plus 3. Okay, so here we have negative 2 in there. It's the wrong number. What are we going to do? Take it out, move it over. So let's rewrite our problem. G of x equals 1/2 x squared plus 4x plus a space plus the number moving out and the space for the number I want to add. Remember, I'm going to add a number and subtract a number, so I'm really adding 0. I'm not changing the value of the equation. I'm making it look different. Okay. 1/2 times negative 2 is negative 1. That's a negative 1. I don't want that negative 1, so I'm putting it out here. Negative 1. Okay. Now, the fun part. Take the 4 divided by 2. Square it. 4 divided by 2 is 2 squared. 2 squared. Magic number for completing the square? What do I put here? A 4. 1/2 of 4. I'm really putting a 2 there. What's the opposite of 2? Negative 2. Here we go. All right. Why did I complete the square? So that I can write the equation in standard form. G of x equals 1/2 x plus 2 squared plus, add those terms, -3. Why did I want standard form? I need the vertex so I can graph the vertex. There we go. Now, I don't know if you noticed anything interesting about the vertex. Well, let's look at them. Here they are. All three of them that we found. Let's compare the original in standard form with the vertex. You'll notice the h, here is a 1, here it's a -1. The k, +4, +4. Let's look here. Here's the h again. That's a -3, so I put a 3. That's a -5, I put a -5. Here's the h again. That's a 2, I put a -2. That's a -3, I put a -3. Did you notice anything? Now, you can have a note card with this formula. Do you need a note that says this as the opposite sign? If you need it, put it on your note card. I won't help you on a test, but I'm sure you can do this. Now, you should try your homework. Make sure you can do on page 208, numbers 30, 33, and 36. 30, 33, 36. I like those questions. They might be on a test. Good luck with the rest of your homework.